We spent one of our last warm weekends out on the coast exploring Queets Rainforest. It's an incredibly remote area, and we followed a winding dirt road to reach our destination. This region gets an average of 9 feet of rainfall annually, making for the most lush scenery. The forest was made of sword ferns, giant maples dripping in moss, and the smell of wet earth and cedar followed us as we walked along the road. The Queets River runs through this valley, beginning at Hume's Glacier on top of Mount Olympus, which is the tallest peak in the Olympic Mountains. The water is that enchanting glacial blue that almost seems unreal. It's home to several kinds of salmon, and eventually the river empties out into none other than the Pacific Ocean. We found the best campsite right next to the river. We spent most of the remainder of the day soaking in the very cold water. I'd describe the experience as energizing more than refreshing. One of our favorite things to do year-round is to sit in the glacial waters found all around the Olympic Peninsula. We ring in each New Year jumping into Lake Crescent, with the water temperature sitting at about 45 degrees year-round. That probably sounds like torture to some of you, but somehow the icy water shuts down the chattering in my mind, and it allows me to just exist in that water. It's all I can feel for a few moments. The next day, we made our way out of the rainforest to the ocean. I think this is my favorite place to be. As much as I love mountains and rivers, I've always felt at home near the ocean. That sounds cheesy as I say it, but I really can feel everything start to regulate within my body as I hear the waves rolling back the rocks on shore. I love feeling like I am the only thing that exists within this expanse of nothing. My eye travels to the horizon, and all I can see are miles of blue with little crests of white bobbing along. When it's been too long since I've been to the ocean, I can feel myself start to get restless. I jump in my truck and just keep driving until I can smell the seaweed and feel the stickiness in the air. Our last night was spent making the quintessential cozy meal, grilled cheese and soup. Jake prepped dinner while I started a fire. Oh yeah, they're right there. That's what it is. Yeah. Right on the big rock. We were hypnotized by the show put on by the dancing flames. I love the heavy feeling in my eyelids as the darkness engulfs me and the warmth encircles me. The best sleep aid is a campfire. I tilted my head back and watched as the black sky lit up with stars. The lack of light pollution makes for some of the best stargazing I've ever witnessed. I wish I could enforce a day where the entire planet turns out the lights so we can all experience what a true night sky looks like. Maybe I'll try my luck next time I see a shooting star.